Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're exploring the beautiful world of nature and seasons. Words that help us describe the sky, the trees, the weather, and the feelings they bring. You'll see photos and videos to help you understand and remember each word. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's enjoy the magic of English together.
Tree.
Tree.
The tree is tall and green.
The tree is tall and green.
Leaf.
Leaf.
A yellow leaf fell on the ground.
A yellow leaf fell on the ground.
Flower.
Flower.
She picked a red flower.
She picked a red flower.
Grass.
Grass.
The grass is soft and fresh.
The grass is soft and fresh.
River.
River.
The river flows through the forest.
The river flows through the forest.
Mountain.
Mountain.
We climbed the mountain together.
We climbed the mountain together.
Sea.
Sea.
The sea is calm today.
The sea is calm today.
Beach.
Beach.
We walked along the sandy beach.
We walked along the sandy beach.
Lake.
Lake.
They swam in the calm lake.
They swam in the calm lake.
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
The waterfall is loud and beautiful.
The waterfall is loud and beautiful.
Sky.
Sky.
The sky is so beautiful at sunset.
The sky is so beautiful at sunset.
Cloud.
Cloud.
That cloud looks like a bunny.
That cloud looks like a bunny.
Rain.
Rain.
I forgot my umbrella in the rain.
I forgot my umbrella in the rain.
Snow.
Snow.
The snow covers the rooftops.
The snow covers the rooftops.
Sun.
Sun.
The sun is shining brightly.
The sun is shining brightly.
Moon.
Moon.
The moon glows in the dark sky.
The moon glows in the dark sky.
Star.
Star.
I see a shooting star.
I see a shooting star.
Rock.
Rock.
She sat on a big rock.
She sat on a big rock.
Sand.
Sand.
The sand is warm under my feet.
The sand is warm under my feet.
Forest.
Forest.
We walked through the quiet forest.
We walked through the quiet forest.
Desert.
Desert.
The desert is hot and dry.
The desert is hot and dry.
Volcano.
Volcano.
The volcano erupted last night.
The volcano erupted last night.
Spring.
Spring.
Flowers bloom in spring.
Flowers bloom in spring.
Summer.
Summer.
We go to the beach in summer.
We go to the beach in summer.
Autumn.
Autumn.
Leaves fall in autumn.
Leaves fall in autumn.
Winter.
Winter.
Winter is cold and snowy.
Winter is cold and snowy.
Great job, my friends! You've just learned many new words about nature and seasons. Remember, English is not just about grammar, it's about seeing the world in new ways. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson. Bye for now!